All right, we got Rio by Winda. Go ahead. It's on the corner side. You see it? Nice colors. The whistle and crackle mine that goes on there. Alrighty guys.